Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to introduce you to the ultimate solution for your toilet cleaning needs. BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner. BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner is not just any ordinary cleaner. It's designed to give you a sparkling clean toilet with minimal effort. First, BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner boasts an impressive cleaning action. It tackles even the toughest stains and germs, leaving your toilet spotless. Look at this amazing before and after comparison. With BRAZOS, you can see the difference for yourself. Next, let's talk about its delightful fragrance. Unlike many cleaners that leave behind a harsh chemical smell, BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner has a refreshing scent that keeps your bathroom smelling great. And the best part? BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner is eco-friendly. It's safe for the environment and doesn't contain harmful chemicals, making it a responsible choice for your home. Using BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner is simple. Just apply it around the rim, let it sit for a few minutes, scrub and flush. It's that easy. BRAZOS Toilet Cleaner is available on Amazon and Flipkart. Check out the rave reviews from satisfied customers and get yours today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews and tips. See you next time.